Romantic poetry, key features and characteristics. Introduction. Romantic poetry is a style of writing that emphasizes emotion, imagination, and individuality. This movement emerged as a reaction against the strict rules of classical poetry and the focus on reason and logic. Romantic poetry starts with publishing Lyrical Ballad in 1798. This great romantic poetry collection was written by Samuel Coleridge and William Wordsworth, including 23 poems. In this collection, 4 poems were written by Coleridge and 19 poems of William Wordsworth. Romantic poets explored complex emotions, such as sadness, longing, and happiness, and often used nature as a source of inspiration. Characteristics. Some of the main characteristics of romantic poetry include an emphasis on subjectivity, a focus on the inner world, and sensitivity and emotional depth. Romantic poets also loved nature and beauty, and were interested in the supernatural and mystical. They often rebelled against conventions, seeking to create a new kind of poetry that was more personal and expressive. Poetic devices. To convey their ideas and emotions, Romantic poets used various poetic devices such as symbolism, imagery, metaphor, simile, personification, and hyperbole. These devices helped to create vivid and dreamlike landscapes that transported readers to new worlds. Tone and mood. The tone and mood of romantic poetry are often melancholic, contemplative, reflective, emotional, introspective, and dreamy. Poets sought to evoke feelings and thoughts in their readers, rather than simply conveying information. Famous poets. Some of the most famous romantic poets include William Wordsworth, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, Lord Byron, Percy Bysshe Shelley, and John Keats. These poets, along with others, formed the core of the Romantic movement, shaping the literary landscape with their innovative and expressive works. Influenced. The Romantic movement was influenced by various factors, including the Industrial Revolution, the French Revolution, and German Romanticism. Classical literature and folklore also played a significant role in shaping the movement. Legacy. The legacy of Romantic poetry is undeniable. It influenced the Victorian era, impacted modernism, and inspired American transcendentalism. Romantic poetry continues to shape the literary landscape, inspiring new generations of writers and readers. Conclusion. In conclusion, Romantic poetry is a unique and expressive style of writing that emphasizes emotion, imagination, and individuality. Its key features, characteristics, and poetic devices have had a lasting impact on literature.